Hi, this is the SciStarter team. Today we're bringing you a new feature on SciStarter.org, the lists. In this short video, we're going to talk about three things. What is lists, how you can use lists, and what to do if you need help. First, what is lists? SciStarter showcases thousands of citizen science projects, so browsing them can be a little bit overwhelming. With the lists feature, you can find, save, organize, and share citizen science projects of your choice. How you can use lists? You can create, edit, and share lists. You can also view your list's participation stats. Here's how. To create a new list, go to any project on SciStarter.org. You'll see the Add to My Lists button here. Click on it. In the pop-up, type in the name of your new list. Then click on the name and click Add to List. If you want to put the project in one of your existing lists, just click the downward arrow and select the list you want and click Add to List. Please note that a project can be added to multiple lists. If you change your mind, you can remove the project from one of your lists. When you're done, you can view all your lists by clicking Go to My List. Use the fields under the list name and the project name to add more information. The text you have entered will be auto-saved. All the lists are public by default. Your public lists can be seen in your public profile. Private lists cannot be shared or viewed by others. To share your list with others to get them involved in citizen science, just click the Share button and click Copy. Then the link of your list is ready in your clipboard. Paste it anywhere you want. To remove a project from a list, click here. If you want to delete an entire list, click the red button here. SciStarter is partnering with its affiliate projects to get citizen scientists' contributions credited on SciStarter. If you want to know how your list receivers are doing with the projects you've shared, just click the list and select Stats View. Affiliate projects are marked with a star. You can see who made how many contributions to what affiliate project after viewing your list at what time. You can also see when they first joined a project and their total contribution since. For non-affiliate projects, some stats are not available. To download these data, just click here. Next, we're going to talk about how to participate in the projects of a list that someone has shared with you. After you open the list link, be sure to log in or sign up on SciStarter, so your contributions will get credited. Then check out the list node and project nodes. Then click on a project and follow the project's instruction to participate. If you want to check out what lists you have recently viewed, just go to Profile. And on SciStarter.org, you can always access all your lists by using the dashboard drop-down menu. That's all about the functions of the lists feature. If you have any questions, check out our FAQ, which is in the bottom section on SciStarter.org. Or feel free to email us. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy using the lists and share your favorite projects with more people. SciStarter, science we can do together.